Have you ever had one small problem that kept bothering you, so much that you forgot everything good around you? Maybe a mistake, a person, or something that just went wrong, and no matter how much you try, it sits in your head like a dark cloud. This story is about a man who made that mistake, a farmer who had everything good in life, and lost it all because of one rotten apple. There once lived an apple farmer named Rehan. People came from miles away to buy his fruit, bright red, sweet, and flawless. His orchard was his pride, his peace, his entire world. One peaceful morning, Rehan walked through his orchard with his dog, Buddy. The sun was golden, the trees heavy with fruit, everything perfect. Until he noticed something strange. Right on top of his favorite tree, the queen of the orchard, hung a single rotten apple. He frowned. If that apple spreads to the others, he thought, my whole harvest could be ruined. He couldn't let that happen. He ran to his shed and came back with a long stick. Yes, he muttered, I'll knock it down. He swung once, twice, again and again, but the stick wasn't long enough. A few good apples fell and splattered on the ground. Rehan sighed. This isn't working. I need a better idea. Back to the shed. He returned with a slingshot. This will fix it. He aimed, fired, I missed again. Each time, more healthy apples fell into the dirt. Why won't you just fall? He shouted, his dog watching silently as frustration grew in his chest. Then came another plan. I'll shake the tree, he decided. He grabbed the trunk and pulled with all his strength. Leaves rained down, branches quivered, and dozens of red apples dropped. Bruised, broken, wasted. But the rotten apple? Still there, still mocking him. Days passed. That single apple began to haunt him. Every morning his eyes went straight to it. Every night he dreamed of it. He couldn't rest, couldn't smile. His wife said gently, let it go, Rehan. It's just one apple. But he didn't listen. To him, that apple was a threat, a flaw he had to fix. Finally, one stormy day, he snapped. I've had enough, he shouted. He stormed to the shed, grabbed his chainsaw. If I can't knock it, shoot it, or shake it down, I'll cut the whole branch. As he approached the tree, the wind howled. He lifted the saw, then paused. For the first time, he really looked at his tree. And his heart broke. Almost all the beautiful apples were gone. The branches were bare, the leaves torn, the fruit scattered and crushed. And up there, still hanging proudly, was that same rotten apple. Rehan turned off the chainsaw and sank to the ground. Buddy rested his head on Rehan's knee. Tears filled his eyes as realization hit him. He hadn't lost his apples to disease. He destroyed them himself. In trying so hard to remove one bad thing, he had ruined everything good. Maybe we all have that rotten apple, a mistake, a regret, a person, a memory, and maybe we spend too much time trying to fix it until we shake the whole tree of our life and lose what was never broken. So today, stop staring at what's wrong. Look at what's still right. Your blessings, your joys, your people, your peace. Because sometimes, all it takes to feel rich again is to look at your tree and count the good apples